Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, ever wonder how to make this kind of beautiful AI pictures? You must have seen them online, and you have been wondering, how do I make this kind of comics? How do I make this kind of cartoon? How do I make this kind of stuff? Okay, and I'm going to show you the right prompt that you can use to get pictures like this. So remember, in the first video I showed you how to use Bing. You can check a link at the top of this video. Now you will find that video, click on it and watch it. But then let's type here Bing AI image generator, then click on the first option that you have here. Now I am logged in. Okay, so you have to register with your Microsoft account. So you have to create a Microsoft account, watch the video that I just recommended in the description to learn how to do that. So let me go straight to how you can get this stuff. So let's say I want to generate an image of a pastor preaching in church and people falling under the anointing. Now let's go. All right, preaching. People fall under the anointing. But let's see whether anointing comic illustration. Now let's create and see how it goes. Remember to add the word. Is a keyword that you need to add to get this done. Comic illustration. All right, now take a look at this. Wow, beautiful, right? Okay, so let's do something else. Let's go. Let's say market woman selling and shouting, comic illustration. Let's go. Remember that will give you 15 credits to use every day. Now I've used 2, that's why it's remaining 13. So you can use 15 every day to generate images. Then the next day you come again, you'll be able to generate image. Remember, there's a video, you're going to watch it and you will learn how to create your own account. This is it. Alright, so you just go ahead and use the right keywords and you'll be able to get very beautiful art for your design. So let's put the last one here. Let's say a rich man entering the plane comic illustration. I'm going to show you the video right now on my YouTube channel and how that you should watch it. If you are new to this Bing, just register with your Microsoft account and then you are good to go. This is it. How do you check this? Very beautiful. I have shown you this. Don't forget to like this video, tell me if you like this, and drop a comment for me, and don't forget to share it also. To download this, just hold it like this and then click on download, and then it will be downloaded to your phone immediately. Now let me take you to my YouTube channel and show you the video that I want you to watch so that you'll be able to do your registration. So this is the video I'm going to show you right here. This video right here, I want you to go to my YouTube channel right now, go to where you have my videos and watch that video you'll be able to know exactly what to do if you are a beginner. All right, I hope you got value from this video. My name is Niyamuda, and I will see you in another tutorial.